Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Sunbeam Nutrioven model CO3000. Here it is here. Now this one is actually my second Sunbeam Nutrioven. I bought my first one back in December 2011 from the good guys in Wairau Park for $98, and that one died on me a couple of weeks ago. I had that one for nearly 8 years, which lasted quite a long time. I thought I loved it so much, hence I bought the same model as replacement. So I bought this one from Briscoes for $89. A couple of weeks ago, Smith City had this one on special for $99, but since Briscoes has the price guarantee policy, I went to Briscoes and asked them to do the price guarantee. Means that they had this for me for $99 plus 10% discount, so I only paid $89 for this one, and the original price here is $239.99, so that was quite a good bargain. Now let's go and open this. Unboxing stuff is really exciting. Cardboard on top. Got the lid, which houses the heating element fan. Packaging. Just put this on the side. So it's got a pair of tongs and the instruction booklet. And then this is the baking pan. This is the low rack. And this one is the high rack. And then this is the glass body. Here's the last piece here. This one. And this is the lid holder. Okay, let's put this up together. It's what do you call this? Bubble wrap. And that's the housing for the glass. This is plastic. This part is metal. So the handles are plastic. So put the glass inside it. And then you can have your low rack and then the high rack. Baking pan. And then the cooking element. Wow, this is really cool. Look at this. That's really cool. And that's the lid holder. Let's take a look at the instruction booklet and the tongs. Pair of tongs. So you will lift the pan like so. And the instruction booklet. It's got tips and tricks on how to look after the unit, as well as recipes for light meals and snacks, mains, and sweets or desserts. The capacity of this oven is 11 liters and it comes with a 1.2 meter cable. This is 1200 watts of power, made in China. This one is the 60-minute timer, and this one is the temperature range from 150 up to 250 degrees Celsius. And with this handle here, you can turn the unit off and on after you set the timer. Let's have a look at what it looks like underneath this unit. So the fan is actually inside, behind this metal bit. There's a fan behind it, and this is just some kind of metal casing. Sorry about the ticking noise. I shouldn't have turned the timer on. I think there's something missing here. My other Sunbeam came with an extension ring. It's this one here. It's the non-stick extension ring, which goes on top. So the purpose is to increase the cooking capacity so that you can put bigger items in the oven. And then you would put that lid on top like that. So yeah, that's quite a shame how this newer model actually didn't come with a non-stick extension ring. So it is actually a fan powered heating unit. It can bake, roast, steam, grill, dry fry and toast. This unit also comes with a 12-month warranty. And this video is not sponsored. It's mainly my first impression and opinion only. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!